Working on a podcast, transcription, or AI workflow? Well, then FFmpeg is the tool for you. In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how we can extract audio from a video file in just one single command. The audio format and codec can be WAV, AAC audio, MP3, anything that you would like. Let's get into it. So of course I have my video here.
Here's how you upload
which is a
and play
tutorial
back a video
similar
using
to
Mux in 60
this one.
seconds.
And let's say I want to transcribe this to Spanish, transcribe it to French, any other language. I would extract it here and set it off to my third-party service. So again, this is using FFmpeg. I have it installed here. If you don't have it installed, you can, if you're on Mac, you can simply do brew install FFmpeg. You could also install from source from FFmpeg.org. It's just a little bit more complicated. I'm already in this current working directory over here with my video titled extract_audio. So FFmpeg-I, which is for input, video.mp4, and Q:A0. So this just kind of means the quality of the audio codec, 0, which is just the highest. And then we're going to map just the audio stream. That's going to be A. We're going to send it to our folder here as an MP3. Alrighty, so see how it looks. And there you have it.
Here's how you upload and play back a video using Mux in...
You can hear it too. So the reason why we would do this is just it's super simple. You see it's very quick. We can also set this to WAV, which is kind of an uncompressed audio format. So we could also do it this way. That's a WAV.
Here's how you upload and play back a video using Mux.
And then last one would be an M4A, which is AAC audio. So these are all transcoding. If I wanted to just simply map the output, I could actually see for the audio codec, map 0, A. Oh, I missed copy here. And if I just wanted to do audio, let's say copy. I know that it's AAC, so I could put it as an M4A. And this is going to not transcode. This will just stream copy it out. You see it's much quicker, and it's the actual.
Here's how you...
It's the same stream that's in this original file here.
Here's how you upload and play back a...
So whether you're saving voiceovers, pulling podcast clips, or repurposing reels, FFmpeg gives you full control. Like this tip? Subscribe for more bite-sized FFmpeg guides. Thanks for watching.